तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला, ममता की आंचल में पला। माँ ओ मेरी माँ, मैं तेरा लाडला। माँ ओ मेरी माँ, मैं तेरी लाडली। Namaskar and welcome to Pradipta's Musings. So today I am paying my tribute to the great personality, the epitome of motherhood, Dr. Sindhutai Sabkal, who has passed away very recently. She was a Padma Shri awardee and she is known all over the country and also the world as the mother of orphans. Sindhutai Sabkal was an epitome of feminine strength, indomitable courage, and a fully bloomed womanhood in all its perfection. She was an unwanted girl child born in a poor family in a rural area of Maharashtra. She was married off at the age of 10 and she had a very abusive marital life. After the birth of her 3 children, she was abused and turned away from home in pregnant condition by her husband and her in-laws because she spoke against a strong man, a headman in that area, in the village where her marital family used to live. She was abandoned in a cow shed after being bitten so badly that it was thought she has expired. But actually she was unconscious, and there she was saved from being trampled by the cattle in the cowshed by a cow which protected her by standing over her in a protective manner so that she could not be trampled by the other cattle. She gave birth to her daughter there in the cowshed, and when she regained her consciousness, she found the motherly cow and was so much touched by that, by the motherhood of that cow, that motherly nature of that cow, that she thought that if she survives, she will preach the principle of motherhood, the beauty of motherhood, and reinstall the hope of humanity once again in society as a tribute to the motherly cow which saved her life. This is what she had expressed in one of her musings. Sindhutai Sabkal took shelter in railway station and the streets of the locality, and there she came across many children who were orphans, and she started taking care of them as her own children to satisfy to fulfill the promise of motherhood she had promised herself during her miserable hours. She used to beg from door to door and plead other people to help all the orphans, all the abandoned people around her, to give them shelter and food. And it became her penance, her aim of life. Gradually, she became the mother of more than 1400 orphans, and her life became a symbol of universal motherhood. She embraced all children and all the abandoned people around her with such warmth, love, and care that many organizations also gradually started coming forward to help her in her noble endeavors, and the government also gradually started recognizing her contribution in the society. The story of Sindhutai Sapkal shows how a woman can be strong in her conviction, and in spite of being abused and tortured by the society, she returned back the society with empathy, love, care, and principles of motherhood instead of trying to have any grudge or a feeling of revenge against anyone. Even her husband, who had turned her away, who had abandoned her and abused her during her hours of need, came to her in his old age for shelter, and she all embraced him and gave him shelter from a spirit of motherhood, even towards her own husband. So, Sindhutai Sapkal and her life are burning inspiration for all women and men. Rather, it's a holy vigil for the entire humanity to follow and reinstall and reinstate the principle of humanity, to serve the cause of humanity and spread the message of mutual empathy, compassion, and unconditional love. I pay my homage to this great personality and I bow down in deep respect.